Struggling with Windows Update error code 802444010? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix this issue and get your updates back on track. Let's dive in. Open the Run dialog, then type gpedit.msc in the box and click OK. In Local Group Policy Editor, navigate to the path Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Updates. Then double-click Automatic Updates Detection Frequency in the right pane. In the pop-up window, select Enabled. Then set a value less than the default one, 22, in the Options section. Finally, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Press Windows plus I to open Windows Settings. Then select Update and Security. Go to the Troubleshoot tab, and then click Additional Troubleshooters from the right side. Click Windows Update, and then click Run the Troubleshooter. After that, this troubleshooter will detect Windows Update problems. If any are found, follow the on-screen instructions to repair them. Right-click the Start icon and then select Run. In the Run dialog, type CMD and then press Ctrl+, Shift+Enter to open Command Prompt as an administrator. After you enter the elevated command prompt, type SFC/Scano and then press Enter to execute this command. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc in the text box and press Enter. After entering the Services window, scroll down to find Windows Update. Then right-click this service and select Stop to disable it. Open File Explorer and navigate to the Siege Windows Softwaredistribution folder. Then delete all the files and folders in this folder. After that, go back to Services. Then right-click the Windows Update service again and select Start to enable it.